So what, as I said, one is in the middle. So as you can see, only 6 screw J left. So perfect. 3 pieces. Each piece need 2 screws. So it goes to, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 100. So the middle is here. Let's put the drawer, test the drawer first. So the drawer has wheels now. Okay. Each drawer have 4 wheels. So let's test it. So the drawer is gonna go into this direction, going there like this. All right. Like this. So I guess the wood is blocking you to over push it like this. Okay, you don't want going too deep inside, so you want it to go this way, right? On this way. So I guess you need to use this block, not here. Okay, you're gonna go right here. Okay, let me put the 2 drawers to see how it works. Okay, drawers. This is the second drawer. Okay. All right. As you can see, 2 drawers almost take all the space. Just a little bit left. So I need to make sure. This is the tricky part. Okay, make sure they right match the bed. Okay, don't over push it or right outside. All right. Okay, like this, and then we'll start working on it. All right. Okay. So you know what? I need this back. I installed it all by myself. I didn't need any help. So you know what? What I'm going to do is, all right. Okay, I can feel I should put this piece of wood here so that the drawer doesn't push too much inside. Maybe a little bit inside, it's okay. Okay, so you know what? Actually, you don't need to, you just need to make sure this piece is right parallel with this piece, okay? Or make sure to do this That's good. Okay, that's good. So that even though your drawer can push a little bit, it still look pretty. Okay, still look pretty. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, you don't need a drawer actually, but a drawer gonna help you how you're gonna place these little piece of wood. Okay, I figured out. So I'm gonna put this little piece of wood here so that I know how to. This piece goes here, and this piece goes here. Okay. Now I know what to do. So I'm gonna take out the two drawers. Take them out. So their job is down now. Just put it up here. Put it up. Start working on the middle one first. This piece. It's gonna be difficult to middle piece. So it's gonna be almost finished. I'm excited. So let's go to this way. Oh, I need more space, I need to lift this side a little bit, okay, so that I have more space to screw them in. Yeah, I can use these two drawers. Any more space, just use this drawer. Okay, the door is fine. Okay. Same thing. Last one. You know what? I need to draw. realize, okay. Okay, you know what? I realize if you screw even deeper, right? The only part go out is this little. That's why I feel like it's so loose. So I need to drill more deeper. Okay. As you can see, their design has problem. So even the last step still have some troubles. So I need to get some. Okay. All right. I just drilled a little deeper. Okay. I just changed this one, and I drill a little bit deeper. Do this. Okay, and then do this. Make it a little deeper, and then and then I put it in. As you can see, if you're going deep, it's longer. Okay, so it can attach. Okay, let's get started. Let's do this. That's the last piece. Hopefully the other two I didn't. Alright, so go this way. Then okay, I feel like it's much tighter than the other two. The other two I didn't drill it deeper. Maybe I need to. We'll see, but at least it's attaching. All right, this piece is very solid. The other two kind of attaching, no problem. No problem. Okay, if it's broken, then we fix it. But so far, it's good. Let me take. All right. Let me take a mess. Take off this. This drawer is holding the bed. All right. Okay. Try it again. Perfect. And then you can see the drawer. Perfect. That's the whole bed. I finished it. I guess it's gonna be a long video because there are so many pieces. Okay. Thank you for watching.